do, do, do. Emeravwen mini wa do. Bigero wa do. No na make no tank mare Emeranvwe sansa be Ururuvwẹ. Today I want to talk about different names of months in a year. Like we all know, we have 12 months in a year. Kyobola Emeranvwe amariwe Emeranvwe ihwive Ukpe. Ururuvwẹ amariwe Emeranvwe ihwive ikokodo ihwe ihwe. In Urhobo language, we have the deep names of months in Urhobo language, and we have the simple ones. The deep names of months in Urhobo language are the ones I want to first of all talk about, which are 1. Sosuo, Ọvoikpe, January, Arha, February, Arha, March, Ane, April, Ayorin, May, Asan, June, Aghwrẹn, July. That is Aghwrẹn, July. Aghwrẹn, July. Oriaren, August. Urhiorin, that is Urhiorin, September. Urhiorin, September. Ahwẹ, October. Oshọvo, November. Ururuvwẹ, December. Those are the deep ones. And the simple ones are Emeranvwe sosuo, January. Emeranvwe February. Emeranvwe erha, March. Emeranvwe April. Emeranvwe iyorin, May. Emeranvwe esan, June. Emeranvwe ighwre, July. Emeranvwe reren, August. Emeranvwe irhirin, September. Emeranvwe ihwe, October. Emeranvwe uhwo, November. And Emeranvwe ihwive, December. Etine midikuyo norinu nebiyo. Ebiko, I want to plead for everybody to always follow Christy. Like you all know, my professional Facebook page is Christy Nyerhovwo ihwe. I have another Facebook page with the name Christy Nyerhovwo ihwe. I have an Instagram account with the name Christy Nyerhovwo ihwe. I have a YouTube account with the name Christy Nyerhovwo ihwe. I have a TikTok account with the name Lady Christy. I have a Twitter account with the name Lady Christy ihwe. I have a Telegram. I am on Snapchat as well. Anywhere you see my account, that Christy name will always be there. But before, don't do anything in regards to transaction without confirming from the original Christy, because in this kind of modern days social media, a lot of fraudsters are taking over so many accounts that sometimes they will even want to copy your page in order to run another one to defraud people. So if anything, transaction, whatever your support or whatever that you want to do in regards to support Christy, make sure you confirm from her and you hear her voice before you do that, so that nobody will use this special name of Urhobo language to defraud any of our persons. Don't fall victim. Please follow me, Christy. Don't let Urhobo language go into extinction. Are you not seeing other tribes? They are always happy. Even as far as our own children, they hear and understand other languages, and they are very proud of speaking it. But when it comes to our own Urhobo language, it looks as if they are not interested. Maybe because of the way or the background where they were being brought up. Please, let's encourage ourselves to learn the Urhobo language and encourage our young ones, our children, to learn the Urhobo language, so that our Urhobo language will not go into extinction. Our Urhobo language is the most interesting language that you can ever think of. Let's be proud of it. You can't be proud of another person's own when your own is already going into extinction. Never. It can never happen in our time. That is why we are here to sacrifice, to teach the language, to encourage people to learn the language, so that we can all be happy that we are all Urhobo. Urhobo is our pride. Urhobo is our great nation. Urhobo with great kingdoms, different kingdoms, unique kingdoms, with kingdoms that we can always be proud of. Let's be proud of what we have, so that at the end of the day, we can thank God who made and created us from the Urhobo land. Thank you all. Don't forget to press the follow button so that you can always follow me. In case if you want to refresh your memory in regards to any of my topics that I've taught about in Urhobo language or anything, as far as Urhobo language is concerned, if you could not see it based on some other posts that I might have posted in my page on Facebook, you can as well go to my YouTube account. Anything Urhobo language I put on Facebook, I always first of all transfer it to my YouTube account, so that because that YouTube account is specially made for Urhobo language activities, teaching, songs, and whatever. So whatever I'm teaching here that you want to refresh your memory of, which you were not opportune to download the video, go to my YouTube account, get it, follow me, subscribe to me, encourage your sister. That is the only way you can tell me thank you for the little I'm doing, even though I'm still learning. Thank you very much for following Urhobo, our pride. I love you all. Aghwrẹn, make una no vex say I dey add small oyibo to wetin I dey talk about. Thank you very much. This is your sister. This is your friend. This is your loved one, who will always be proud of Urhobo language. Wado Urhobo olere ivyesa o. Wanurhobo menna olere ivyesa. Urhobo kokore ogbare. Urhobo olere ivyesa. Obolu Urhobo jebe na sofa jeba tionye. Edefa mere akpo tolu Urhobo na meware. Urhobo olere ivyesa o. Arioma Urhobo Oshọvo Urhobo menna Oshọvo Urhobo lamarena Oshọvo Urhobo losemevolo ni menna Oshọvo Urhobo livie lamarena Oshọvo Urhobo loshare menna Oshọvo Wado amlekesie fa o mi wego no wa o.